That's what friends are for. Oh, I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I've got a chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can't remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. For the good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.